everybody. My name is Holly, and I want to thank you for joining us here at HGST, a company that's well known for two things: driving innovation in enterprise-class storage and for leading and enabling data center transformation. Our roots go back to the very first hard drive and to the origin of flash technology. Today we offer the broadest range of hard disk and solid-state drives. HGST has decades of experience and close working relationships with the largest OEM, cloud, and enterprise data center customers. So we understand today's data center challenges. Your data is important, and by using the latest storage solutions, we can help you maximize the value of your data. Now, here at EMC World, you're going to hear a lot about big data. It's said that by next year, annual digital creation will be well on its way to 9 exabytes. As a result, the need for digital storage will continue to grow by 50% a year, just like your IT budget, right? So how does this tremendous data growth affect you? Take a look. These are just a few of the pain points that organizations like yours are juggling. That's a lot to think about when you're trying to configure the ideal storage infrastructure to fit your needs. An infrastructure that will no doubt require a variety of storage solutions to support an array of applications. So let's take a look at the spectrum of storage applications and requirements. Each color represents a different data temperature related to certain applications and the kind of storage that best meets their needs. For example, to the left, you'll find cold storage, the home of archival and regulatory data. This data serves low workload applications that call for the highest capacity at the lowest power and price, giving you the best TCO. On the far right, you have your hot stuff, storage for data that's used over and over and requires a super high level of performance with the greatest number of transactions per second, or IOPS. Here in between, you have cool and warm, each requiring a different balance of performance, reliability, and capacity. Now, it's important to remember that over the course of its life, data moves through this spectrum. What's hot today may eventually be cold. In addition, an application may need data from more than one part of the spectrum. So, to tailor your storage infrastructure to your specific needs, you'll want your own blend of hot to cold storage. HGST can help you choose the right storage solution for your application with the industry's broadest portfolio of storage solutions. So let's start with the cool part of the spectrum, with the 6 terabyte Ultrastar HE6, the industry's first helium-filled hard drive, made possible by our patented HelioSeal technology. The Ultrastar HE6 is great for data center applications like these, and it makes it ideal for both traditional and cloud data centers. And it's the industry's best drive for lowering data center TCO on virtually every level: capacity, power, cooling, and storage density. But you may be asking, why helium? Well, helium is 1/7 the density of air, so it reduces the turbulence caused by spinning disks. It enables a drive design that gives you more disks for increased capacity in the same physical space. At the same time, this drive will significantly lower power 23% compared with typical high-capacity air-filled drives. Now, I want to emphasize that this is the only hermetically sealed drive on the market. It's so well sealed, it can be submerged in a liquid cooling environment. So let's take a look at solutions designed for the warm part of the spectrum, where mission-critical applications demand big capacity as well as round-the-clock performance. In this part of the spectrum, you'll find applications like those you see here. To handle storage for these kinds of applications, let's take a look at 2 powerful SAS HDD products: the Ultrastar 10K RPM and 15K RPM high performance, high reliability hard drives. They're ideal for applications in the warm spectrum, enterprise class, mission critical, 24/7 environments requiring high performance and reliability, power, efficiency, and high capacities from 30 gigabytes to 1.2 terabytes. It all adds up to super fast, high volume data access. And if you need enterprise class data protection, these Ultrastar products offer the broadest range of security and encryption options available. But now, if you're working with applications that are not only warm but hot, you'll find that HGST's high-performance, industry-leading flash storage solution might be exactly what you need. We have the industry's very first 12 gigabit per second Ultrastar SAS SSD. It's 100 times faster than HDDs, and it provides up to 25 drive writes per day. These drives also give you support for the industry's broadest range of encryption options. For higher capacities, we have our S842 and S846 2.5-inch SAS SSDs. These offer capacities of up to 2 terabytes. And if you need an even more compact solution, the S846 is available in a slim 1.8-inch micro SAS form factor. While you're here, check out the performance of our 2 terabyte S842 in our live demo running a SQL Server workload right over here. Now, where will you find these SAS SSDs at work? One place you're going to find them is at EMC. EMC was challenged with increasing the storage performance of its Symmetrix DMX4 system, while at the same time driving down the system's overall power consumption. HGST was able to seamlessly integrate its SAS SSD with existing HDDs in the Symmetrix system. The result? They successfully delivered 200 times faster transactional performance for random read and write IOPS, and enabled a 98% reduction in energy consumption, all contributing to lower TCO across the board. Okay, we've talked about solutions for warm to hot, but some of you need super hot applications like big data analytics, high frequency trading, OLTP, and indexing. Applications where faster performance is the difference between seconds and microseconds. So for these red hot apps, you'll want to look at one of our PCIe Flash solutions. First, we have our high endurance S1122 PCIe accelerator. It's available in a capacity range from 800 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. And if you gotta have an even hotter hot, check out our live demo of the Flash Max 2, a PCIe-based storage class memory solution. It provides as much as 4.8 terabytes in a half-length, half-height form factor. The Flash Max 2 PCIe card can fit easily into any server, helping you maximize space and reduce data center sprawl. Out in the real world, our PCIe Flash cards delivered significant performance improvements for the Enterprise Strategy Group, or ESG Lab. By using Flash Max 2 and vShare software for Oracle RAC, ESG was able to generate a 47-fold improvement in IOPS compared to a basic shared SAN configuration. This is very exciting because we offer the only shared PCIe storage solution. vShare and Flash Max 2 work transparently with Oracle's automated storage manager, enabling direct attached flash devices to be clustered and shared like a SAN, even when no traditional SAN is present. Now you know a little bit more about HGST and the innovations that can help you optimize your storage infrastructure and harness the value of your data. As you can see, HGST's broad portfolio covers the spectrum of your storage needs. HGST solutions are hard at work and trusted by leading enterprises around the world. So why not discover how they can go to work for you and enable your data center transformation?